om te sê hoe lief ek jou het en hoe gelukkig jy my maak. Om te kan sê dat jy is my vrou. Woorde kan nie beskryf hoe mooi jy lyk vandag nie. Die idee dat ek die res van my lewe saam jou gaan wees, maak klaar dat ek voel ek is die gelukkigste ou en ek het gewen. Ek is baie gelukkig om 'n vrou te kon kry wat my beste vriend, my rots en bo alles beeldskoon van binne na buite is.
Tennessee boy, gonna sip a little shine, Tennessee boy. Twist off the lid like granddad did, let the fiddle make a little mountain noise. All across them rocky tops, copper steels on shotgun watch, apple pie and lemon drop, dropping down like rain, yeah. Colorado girl, gonna get a little high, Colorado girl. Get a little herb out of God's green earth, spread a little joy all around the world. All across them old red rocks, smoke slowly rolling on. Loving all the friends you got, and you just got one more. And who needs money? Got a few good friends and a real good honey. Ooh, that's about all you need. Hey. in a Dixie cup. Yeah, ooh, and if you ask me, well, that's about all you need. Hey. Tennessee boy gonna sip a little shine, Colorado girl get a little high. We'll put them together and they just might make a little love tonight. Ooh, soak it up, there's a whole lot of magic in a Dixie cup. Yeah, ooh, and if you ask me, well, that's about all you need. Hey.
Under my jacket, the cold as hell, but I'ma let you anyway. Wouldn't you say there's a light in the darkest moments, and this is the moment when I can be brave? You say you want to call a taxi, but I don't wanna go and meet up all your friends. So then you say we'll get another pack and some coffee. I hope it doesn't ruin our first kiss.
Leef dit wat Christus aan julle geskenk het. Bou met liefde en in vertroue voort op die mooi dinge wat julle in mekaar gevind het. Vermy selfsug en eiesinnigheid. Dit verbreek die gemeenskap tussen mense. Gee julleself aan mekaar op allerlei maniere met vreugde, in humor en in moeilike tye.
Always say it will be you and me till the old days. Let us be always, always. Through the highs and the lows, we'll be always. We will be always, 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 always. You and me till the old days. We will be always, 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 always. And the lows will be always. We are lying on my sofa. We fall asleep watching an episode of Friends. Will we end up just like Ross and Rachel? I'm so sorry for the spoiler, but that's the end. And for every song, there's a song we're not singing. For every step, there's a step we're not taking. So let me know if there's something I'm missing, 'cause this is all I need. So say we'll be always, always. Say it will be you and me till the old days. Let us be always, always. Through the highs and the lows, we'll be always. We will be always, 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 always. You and me till the old days. We will be always, 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 always. And the lows will be always. Through the highs and the lows, we keep together, you and me till we're old. I am ready for the highs and lows. I am ready for the highs and lows. For the highs and lows.
Dames en heren, vir die eerste keer, meneer en mevrou Jonker.
You and me to the old days. We will be always, always, always. And the lows will be always. We will be always, 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 always. You and me to the old days.
Ek wil maar net sê op julle twee, nee, kan ek nie gelukkiger wees om hier vanaand te kan staan, my woorde van trots te kan sluk en te sê ek's baie lief vir julle en julle verdien mekaar tot in die uiterste. Dominee het so mooi vandag gesê dat julle saam in hierdie ding is en ek wens dit vir julle toe dat julle al sal saamvat. Vat hom met jou hande vas, hardloop met dit en moet nooit terugkyk nie.
Who knows? I might wind up on the cover of a Rolling Stone with a pair of shades and a Grammy in my hand. Just a blue jean boy in a great big world of yes. I got my speech already in my head. Then I'll say, yeah, I'll say, thank you, Uncle D, for teaching me to love my bone guitar. Thank you, girl from Broken Bow, who shot an arrow through my heart. Thank you, Mama, for the roll, and thank you, Daddy, for the rock. Most of all, thanks to the bulls that bucked me off. Woo! I'll hear what if
Jy is rarig soos 'n rots in 'n lig in so baie mense se lewens leer. En jy is absoluut beeldskoon vandag van binne en buite. So, Erik en Leo, ek hoop julle beste jare lê nog vir julle voor. En ek hoop julle sal elke dag mekaar se beste span.
Thank you, Uncle D, for teaching me to love my bone guitar. Thank you, girl from Broken Bow, who shot an arrow through my heart. Thank you, Mama, for the roll, and thank you, Daddy, for the rock. Most of all, thanks to the bulls that bucked me off. Thank you, Uncle D, for teaching me to love my bone guitar. Thank you, girl from Broken